Happy International Girl Child Day. Are you blessed with girl children? If yes, you are greatly fortunate. The hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, about raising girls are beautiful and amazing. Girl children come with great rewards and blessings. If you offer care, love, support, and education to your girl child, paradise awaits you. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, reported, a woman came to me with her two daughters. She asked me for charity, but she found nothing with me except one date fruit. So I gave it to her. She accepted it and then divided it between her two daughters and ate nothing out of it. Then she got up and went out. When the messenger of Allah came in and I narrated to him the incident, he said, he who is tested with these girl children and he is benevolent towards them, they will become protection for him against hellfire. May Allah bless you all with paradise. If